What's up, guys? Welcome back to yet another episode. I'm Mike, and it's Slow Speed. And today I didn't really mean to start the vlog the way that it started. I'll explain, give me like a couple seconds. What I'm gonna go do is, I'm gonna go rescue Nelson. He is actually 8 minutes away. Those of you who don't know, well, nobody knows because I haven't said it yet, but we were actually going to go pick up a set of Nelson's spare wheels and bring them over to European.Auto because I threw the 435 on springs and the 255s that I had, well, they don't fit. So what I had to do was I had to go ahead and take off the 255s, order a set of 235 R19s. Hopefully they fit. However, we were supposed to do that, but Nelson has a flat now, so I gotta go get him and figure out how he did this. There he goes. Jeez. So what happened? You say you tried to pump,
right?
I
pull up the jacket, like, you know the exit over there? And the like pulled to the right a little bit, so I'm like, what the So I got out, checked the shit on his map. Oh my god.
Yo, welcome to the pizza. Yes! What the welcome to the Casa Ladeo Caro. Alright, we out. Yo, it's the Honda, bro. It's actually working. Look at that. We doing a cool 60. Yeah, it's actually working. And the D's not flashing. Pause. Yo, we did a terrible job at cleaning this window, didn't we? Yo, what the hell is this?
Yo, I can see her looks from your side. Hold on.
Yo, how do you clean your side professionally when you the passenger, bro?
Look at me, the fucking spray. Clean my shit. Look what it looks like for your shit.
Yo, when the sun hits it, bro, I can't see shit, bro. I'm telling you that now.
You can see from the camera. It's literally just it's legit just white and
But I tell you one thing that's funny. I put $20 in here. I put $20 in here Monday. $20 Monday, and I still have a quarter tank left.
I had a full tank of gas 2 days ago, and now I'm at a quarter tank.
New wheel on, it's like magic.
The stuff actually doesn't look bad.
It don't look bad. It's not even really silver like that. All these eyeballs, you know? Huh?
That shit doesn't look like rap.
Yo, you want to know what took us so long? Yo, I'm gonna start recording me doing this. Yeah. Look at this place. Yo, parts for days. Look at this. Get me right here next to all these parts. Huh? I'm gonna have to start clickbaiting people. Got this for the 435. You think I'll start clickbaiting?
Wait, you gotta have the Christmas tree in the background. Looks like you're in the crib. Wait. Perfect. That looks like you're in the crib.
Alright, Gio, if you even watched the video, but listen, times is hard. I need some donations myself, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this. Alright, what is this? Sometimes, oh, this is for the dogs. I can't take this. Hey, Nelson, cut the camera off. I'm not gonna take it. Yo, they said this could gap me. 650 wheel.
Peace.
Yo. I see the wheels. What the fuck's the car? Yo, 255s are wide, right? These were on the front, my man.
Let me put those on.
Huh?
Let me put those on.
You let you put this on, you can't even fit them, bro.
Where's the suspension now? Raise the suspension.
Oh, you can have the tire if you want. I'm selling them. Matter of fact, guys, if you guys, bro, yo, you wasting my time, bro.
Yes.
All right.
You gotta leave that entire shit in.
So the 255s won't fit. It won't clear. I would show you the carnage, but I don't know where my car is right now. But they took off the wheels. So basically I have to take these off. I already ordered 235 35s R19s because, yeah, so. You don't think 235s will poke out like these ones did, right? It's not gonna poke, right?
I mean, the rim is the rim.
Yeah, but so like you
Like your offset on the rim is still pretty flush with the fender. So
the
you
problem
just
is, like you see, like my car had a tad bit of poke to it. Like you know what I mean? And I think that like the 255 was like perfect because it showed a little bit of meat right on the edge, a little meat. You see the camera? He's on autopilot mode. It showed a little bit of meat. You see the meat? It showed that. Just a little bit of it. I want to say these are the ones that were original ones that were in the car.
Yeah.
It ain't coming back up. Oh yeah, the original?
Yeah.
I don't know how bad these are, but these ones weren't as bad, but they're still pretty crappy. You can feel it as you push it down. They go down so easy. I can't wait to drive my car with it. Yeah.
He's like every time I see like this your video and it's the video camera's here.
Yeah.
I know who it is. See, I know who it is. You know who it is. I know damn well who it is.
This guy. Look what I did to the front wheel. That's actually not that bad though. Look at all these wraps they got here, different colors. Man, I really wish I would have went for a wrap, or I'm kind of glad that I went for the liquid wrap, but these colors they gave me a real good deal. It's hard to pass up, but if I was getting a car wrap, I'd definitely come here. These guys are super cool. It's like the other side of European.Auto. 3480 Motorsports is what it's called. Put the information down below. They do window tint and things like that. But yeah, super sick. They got a couple of different colors here. I don't know, guys. What do you think you guys would like to see the 435 if I was getting it wrapped, like paper wrapped? What color? I don't know. I think I would do something like this. You know, something a little unique. Wait till you guys see the color that I am going to do. It's going to be fire. It's not on here. It's not on here at all, but no more window tint. I was gonna put 20% tint all around. They gave me a really good deal on it. However, I'm not trying to really go over the budget on this car, especially after it goes in for paint and everything like that. And his residue right here. So you're gonna charge me extra money to wipe it off. I could try to wipe it off myself and maybe later on, but for now I'm just gonna hold off on the tint and yeah, see where we go from there. What do you think? This car looks sick, don't lie, Nelson.
Looks stock.
It looks stock as hell, right? One thing that I forgot to mention, knew the 255s would rub because of the F80, F82 control arms that I installed. However, I also put the F80, F82 tension arm to push the wheel back, bring it back to the proper caster. So might have to get that aligned. We'll throw the wheels on, take it for a drive, we'll definitely see. It's lower, so I just might get it aligned anyway. But if you look right here, it has the new M aluminum tension arm. What I went ahead and did was the guys pressed the bushing in right here over at European.Auto and pushed the wheel back a little bit. So if you look, brand new strut, H&R SUPERSPORT lowering spring, tension arm, and M4 control arm, M4 tension arm. That is my suspension setup. I think it'll be super dope. It would have been marvelous, wonderful if I were able to run it with the 255, but however, 235 is what it is to get that ride height that I want. Coilovers might have been a better option, but hey, who knows? Thank you guys for tuning in. Mike from Slow Speed once again. I gotta get up out of here because I gotta put those wheels away and get ready for tomorrow so I can drive this thing. Stay tuned. What happens when you do lowering springs? Break everything. Hurry up. It's because of you my lip fell off. So I was going to get a car wash and yeah. Oh, is it focusing? Oh yeah, going to get a car wash and the lip fell off the car. Well, it didn't fall off, but it got ripped off by that little stupid car wash over there. So yeah, that tape ain't gonna hold, I know it. I am super pissed because that lip has lasted me so long. The lip is not damaged, but just where it screws into the bumper, those pins and tabs or screws, whatever you're gonna call it, completely ripped out. So yeah, I'll probably take it off anyway. And when the car gets wrapped, I'll decide to tell you, I'll decide whether or not I'm gonna run a lip, no lip. Probably not gonna be carbon fiber. Don't want to spend the money and have it rip off again like every other lip that I know. Just not worth it to me, unless you guys want to donate some cash in order for me to buy a lip that lasts like a week. One, like always, GoFundMe is down below, but not gonna mess with that. Got the car in good running order, so my goal is to not put a lot of things that cost me more money in this thing. But on the way to Roosevelt, see some of these cars, get some pictures taken of. Hopefully get some flybys. Hopefully get some flybys in my car because I owe you guys that much. I definitely want to get the flybys with the turbo. I just have to have everything in order. So it's coming, guys, it's coming. You just got to realize it takes a lot of people to make that happen. You know, I need somebody to drive my car. You know, I need somebody to drive the camera car, and I need somebody to film. Y'all don't remember over here?
Yeah, I remember here.
Yeah, we just gonna follow you, Cat, all right?